Established more than a decade ago, SNX Technologies has become the #1 manufacturer of contour edgebanders in North America. Why contour edgebanders? We recognize the need for a cost-effective solution to edgeband curved parts that any shop could afford. In the past, curved parts were T-molded, banded either by hand or with expensive machines that the ordinary shop could not afford. Our patented SNX nVision contour bander gives all shops the ability to band curved parts regardless of size. We teamed up with engineers that have decades of machine design experience to develop a machine that was easy to use, built to last, has a small footprint, and is easy to maintain. Most importantly, the quality of the seam, the butt joint needed to be the best in the industry. We achieved our goals and welcomed the comparison of edge-banded parts produced on our solution versus machines costing hundreds of thousands of dollars more. In our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in Sauk Rapids, Minnesota, we design, manufacture, and assemble the entire machine. Anything that can be done in-house is done in-house. This enables us to control overall quality of our machine and allows us to address customer specific requirements on the fly prior to the machine arriving at their facility.
SNX is also a UL certified electrical house specializing in control cabinet assemblies. This certification gives us the ability to manufacture all of our electrical cabinets in-house, again, guaranteeing quality and workmanship. With numerous installations in some of the largest office, school, hotel, motel, hospitality, furniture manufacturers, we have proven to be the machine of choice. We work hand in hand with our customers to ensure that all machine installations meet or exceed our customers' expectation. In doing this, we will look at all your anticipated parts that you plan to edgeband, guarantee the results. If it's a part in question, we will cut these parts on our CNC router, video your specific part being edgebanded, and send the video link to you. This way you, the customer, have an idea on cycle times, quality, and how really easy it is to edgeband certain contour parts. Upon delivery of your new machine, one of our highly trained technicians will arrive at your facility. This on-site training includes maintenance, controller, and safe operation. Unlike other machine manufacturers, we give all of our customers our personal cell phone numbers. We are available 7 days a week for your needs. We believe that we're not successful unless our customers are successful. With imported machines that have a master distributor, a spare part might take a week or two to receive. SNX, being the actual manufacturer, inventories all our parts in-house in Minnesota. This enables next day delivery if a part is needed. We would look forward to installing your new SNX nVision and working with your company in the near future. For more information, please visit us at www.snxtechnologies.com.